So he's just a nice guy. Do you really think this Mark doesn't want anything in exchange for helping you?
Well, I assume I'll have to take showers with him. But, you know, that's true of any job.
Wow, isn't it ironic that David would show up on the same day that you and Mike exchange keys?
Uh-huh. Yeah, you know, and given my lifelong search for irony, you could imagine...
Really?
They were just giving those away at the store. In exchange for money.
Hey.
So who else was in this club?
Actually, there was also that exchange student from Thailand, but I don't think he knew what it was.
So, Ross, we went out for 2 years and you...
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word exchange. It means to give up something for something else, part with for some equivalent, change for another. Also means to replace returned merchandise with an equivalent or something else. Most stores will allow the purchaser to exchange goods. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce exchange, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the second syllable, corresponding to change. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how exchange is used in real life.
Well, isn't it better that I exchange it for something that I enjoy and that I can get a lot of... When I thought you wanted sex in exchange for this job, I said no.
Actually, there was also that exchange student from Thailand, but...
Show up on the same day that you and Mike exchange keys?
In exchange for money.
Do you really think this Mark doesn't want anything in exchange for helping you?
Okay, maybe I exchange gifts sometimes, but I keep the things that matter.
Even behind the big fat exchange student who didn't even know the rules to baseball.
Oh, and Joey's got the mashed potatoes if you want to exchange them.
Are you ready to exchange gifts?
Sure. Okay, you go first.
Okay, come
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.